I was first introduced to Linux in 1994. And then my whole career since then, professional career, was built on open source. And working in different companies. So when Samsung approached me for starting the open source group, I really thought there was a really big opportunity there to create a success story.
So the Open Source Software Group at Samsung is a group of about 40 people total, of which 20 some odd are developers. And really the charter of the group is to help develop leadership inside of Samsung in the open source space. Samsung was tinkering with open source back in 2001, right? Just sort of nibbling around the edges, if you will, of the open source community. We've come to a point now where it's, again, key and important in pretty much every product we build.
In the past year and a half, we've focused a lot on upstream development, just the core unit, not just as Samsung as a whole, just our team. So our time is devoted on 50% upstream, guaranteed. And the other 50% is divided into helping different product and R&D teams.
So we've got a team that's doing the work in these upstream communities that we want to be a part of.
Basically, we're doing more out of everything. More participation in projects, more in terms of building the team, increasing the headcount. So basically more and a big green light that says go.
I think the changing face of open source is going to be more corporate. And I know that there are people in the open source community that get a little bit concerned about that. And I actually don't think that's a problem. I think it shows a level of maturity in what's going on and realizing that everything that is being built in these open source communities is critical and important. I think the opportunity to actually help build something really cool at Samsung and have the ability to influence the company's future directions and collaboration with open source is really, really interesting.
Samsung Electronics is a huge company, and there's a lot of potential that we can unlock that will have very positive impact on the open source community. And this is why I decided that this is something I must do, and this is why I'm doing it. And I'm really having a blast with it.